Hi guys, I appreciate you so much for returning for another video, and I welcome you if you're new. This is actually part 2 of my Sunday video where I brought you along with me as I took care of some random chores before we had to go to the store. This is after we got back, so right now I'm putting up some leftovers from our dinner, and then I'll have to take care of a couple of other things before I finish the chores that I didn't get to. So I thought I would just make this a two-parter, and I hope you enjoy. I have gained some new subscribers and I'm so grateful. If you're here and you haven't subscribed, then please click that red button below. Also, click the bell and choose all. That way you'll never miss one of my uploads. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I would love it if you would leave me a comment, and if you're new, introduce yourself in the comments. It'd be awesome to meet you.
I can be good, but no, I got a rebel soul. Hey, I've got a rebel soul. I got a rebel soul. Yeah, I've got a rebel soul. Hey, down within my rebel soul. Down within my rebel soul. Down within my rebel soul. Down with it, down with it, down with it. Just get down with it, down with it, down with it. Just get down with it, down with it, down with it, down with it, down. I've got a rebel soul. One thing I know for sure, what we have is something worth fighting for. With bad news knocking at my door, but I like it like that. We go all in and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong.
Moving on to the trash, it was really full, but I was determined that I was going to get those containers from our takeout in there, and somehow I did it. We do recycle, but when I have things like that have like food and all that left in there, I just like to put them in the trash. And then one thing I always do after the trash has been emptied is I like to wipe it off with a Clorox wipe, just because there can be some food or dirt left on there, and it's much more sanitary, I think, to do that on a regular basis.
I like it like that. We're up here on cloud nine, and somehow we get it right every time. 'Cause these days we're partners in crime, and I like it like that. We go all in, and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong. But I like it like that. Now we're catching fire, 'cause you take me higher. You know you're everything that I ever desire. And we're crossing borders, not taking orders. And I like it like that.
As always, one of our stops was our favorite store, Costco, and we got paper towels. And then, of course, when we got home, I realized we didn't really need paper towels yet, but it's getting to be one of those things where we're always so worried about paper products not being available that we just grab them without thinking about it. And then you got a glimpse of my hubby there messing with me as I was putting the plastic in the recycling, but now I'm just putting the paper towels anywhere I can find a space for them to go. Now we're on to the things that I didn't get to finish earlier. So one of them was wiping down my appliances. They desperately needed it, and I'm using my absolute favorite Indust stainless steel cleaner. If you're a repeat, I know you've heard it mentioned multiple times, but I'm telling you, it's the best.
I like you like that.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible.
If you're on Instagram, please follow me over there at crystal_renee_lifestyle. I'm pretty active over there, and it's just fun to see each other's posts and chit chat in between videos.
I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. Let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life. You and I.
The last thing I needed to do was vacuum, so I'm going to take care of the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen right now.
You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon.
That is going to do it for this video. Thank you guys again for hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. Please take care of yourselves and your families. God bless you. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Miss this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible.